Welcome to our loft here at the Avenue Barbosa 318. Next to us is where the gas station name is, and to our left is where we have the entrance for our guests. And here we have our main entrance. All we have to do is pull the handle to the side, open it, and over here we have our smart lock. All you need to do is access it through the code that we provide, and once it is open, you can open the door, and here you have access to our living room. And here we are in the living room, also known as space 1, and as you can see here, we have 3 queen-size bed, a television, and we also have a piano over here. And if we go a little bit more further into our left side, here we have one of our private rooms, room 5. And once you enter here we have a television, a queen-size bed, a mini refrigerator, and a desk with its chair. And right in front of us, in this brown door, is where the second space is. All you need to do is enter the code that we provide right over here, and you press the padlock button, and once it's open, here you have access to the second space, where here you have a 5 queen-size bed, a king-size bed, and 2 private rooms. And over here, this is a private room. All you need to do is enter the code that we provide in, like this, press the padlock button, and once it opens, here you'll have access to 2 queen-size bed, a king-size bed, and a bathroom that does not include showers. And here, as we continue to our right, here we have the door to access the third space. Over here we have the smart lock. This time simply switch it here, and once you open it, here we have the third space. Over here we have the dining hall, we have private room 3, then here we have the bunk beds, and over here we have the Wi-Fi provider. Please do not remove it. And through this doorway we have private room 1 and private room 2. Through private room 1 we have a television, a desk with its chair, and a queen-size bed. And through private room 2, here we will go upstairs. And here in the first part of private room 2, here we have the sofa, a nightstand, a mini fridge, and a television right here. Through the second part of private room 2, here we have another mini fridge, a television, and a queen-size bed. And through the final part of private room 2, here we have 2 queen-size bed, a mini fridge, and a television over here. And here for the dining hall to our right, we have our private room 3. In order to access to it, enter the code that we provide in, press the padlock button, and once you have access, here we have private room 3, where we have 5 bunk beds, a television, and a mini refrigerator over here. And as we pass through here, as we continue further, here we will have the common area for last minute bookings. Over here, this is where we provide 4 queen-size beds for the guests. Through the dining hall to our right, here we have private room 3. In order to access to it, enter the code that we provide, press the padlock button, and once it's open, here you'll have access to private room 3, where we have a mini refrigerator, a television, and 5 bunk beds. And to our right, here we have the common area, where it's used for last minute bookings. And here we have 4 queen size beds. through the dining hall, right in front of us is the door that's access to the kitchen. Simply turn the knob, and once you open it, here you have access to the kitchen where you have 2 microwaves, a refrigerator, a mini electrical stove, and a normal electrical stove. In order to use the mini electrical stove, simply press the power button. You can press each of these circles to turn on one of the stoves. Here it has the safety lock, the timer, and the way to set up the temperature, whether you want it high or low. In order to use the